Credit repair can be a life-changing endeavor, not just for you, but for the thousands of people who are in need of these services. Today, we are going to dive into the steps necessary to become a credit repair specialist. But first, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Now, let's set the scene with a few facts. As of last year, more than 80 million Americans had a credit score lower than 600. These individuals need help repairing their credit to access better financial opportunities. This opens a vast pool of potential clients for a credit repair specialist. So how do you become one? Step 1 is understanding credit. You need to know the ins and outs of credit reports, credit scores, and credit bureaus. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses. Anything that gives you a comprehensive understanding of credit is a good start. Step 2 is gaining experience. Apply for jobs at credit repair firms or financial institutions. This first-hand experience will be invaluable. Or consider starting as a volunteer or intern. Even if you have to work for free initially, the knowledge and experience you gain will be priceless. Step 3 is staying informed. Laws relating to credit and credit repair can often change. For instance, 40% of American states require credit repair specialists to have a surety bond, so keep yourself updated with any changes that may affect your career. Step 4 is obtaining certifications. Certifications like the Certified Credit Consultant and the Board Certified Credit Consultant from the Credit Consultants Association can add credibility to your profession. Step 5 is to start your own credit repair business. You can either be an independent consultant or start a firm with a team of credit repair specialists. Last year, small businesses made up about 50% of the credit repair services market. Step 6 is marketing your services. You need to be able to reach those people in need of your services. Utilize social media, local business directories, and word-of-mouth marketing. Becoming a credit repair specialist is not an overnight journey, but with dedication, knowledge, and a willingness to help others, you can make a real difference in people's financial lives. So, start your journey today by visiting legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts for guidance right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps in this video? Are you confused about any of them? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.